Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to register Priority Pass. Start by gathering your membership number, passport, and payment method, then visit Priority Pass or your card issuer portal to start registration. Follow on-screen prompts to enter personal details, choose e-card or physical card delivery, and accept terms. Save confirmation emails and screenshots, and note your membership number for lounge access today. Begin registration by carefully typing your personal details exactly as on your passport to avoid delays. When asked, select guest privileges and any add-on benefits, then choose whether to receive an e-card for immediate use or a mailed physical card. Confirm payment information if membership requires it, check your inbox for verification, and store screenshots of the confirmation and membership number for smooth lounge entry. If you're finding this guide helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more travel tips. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, voice control, smart mapping, and effortless cleanups that free time for travel planning. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you love gadgets, this is worth a look. Now let's get back to the video. If you hit a snag, try clearing your browser cache, using a private window, or switching devices to complete registration. Double-check that your card benefits include Priority Pass and contact the issuer if the option is missing. Keep confirmation emails and screenshots handy, and set a calendar reminder for renewals so you never miss lounge access or guest privileges during travel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.